Hold it, do you want to make some pixel art? A cute kitten? Or a cute little bunny? Well, this isn't the video for that. Instead, I'm going to take my 2D character and make it kind of a pixel character. But I can't do it without this special offer of the amazing pixel brush that is only 9 billion trillion. Wait, what is it? Wait a minute, never mind. You never have to do that because I did all the research on multiple videos just to come out with a brush for you. Actually, I just, said sometime later, and we just put what I learned together over 3 hours of watching videos. So instead I did a 1x1 pixel canvas, and then we made that. So then I was like, okay, they told me to go absolutely white on the coloring, so I put in the white. I tried to do the select tool, but the background was not working, and then I tried to do this number and it still wasn't working. So I'm like, ugh. So I went ahead and just grabbed a brush and just tapped in the middle. It worked just fine. So instead of doing this, you obviously could just hit the little add button right here and you can add your brush. But I was like, I am going to do what the other tutorial said, which was to duplicate a brush. So I duplicated a brush, went into the shape editor setting after I copied and pasted the square form. But yes, so here we are. We're now in the grain setting, and then I wanted to edit that shape as well, or shape, I'm in shape setting, edit that, then go to grain, and then I edit this and import what I pasted, which was the copy of the 1x1 pixel, and then pasted that, and then it should all be the same shape. So from the videos they say to turn it all down to 0, and once it's all down to 0 on like the stroke properties, everything needs to be 0. Your tapers need to be all the way out, no taper whatsoever. Settings need to be basically turned off. We just need the basic brush and that's it. So we turn off the tip animation, turn off the other little button down there as well. Needless to say, I am not one for tutorials. I don't know how to make tutorials, but I decided to just, hey, I'm going to show it what I did and that it actually does work. So I turned the movement down all the way on the grain settings. I basically everything down except for the zoom. And honestly, on one of them, I increased the percentage as well. Turn off filters. We're going to turn off all the line paths. Turn off your pool on the wet mix settings, and then you're gonna go through and actually color dynamics you don't change, properties I don't change, pressure I turn off, I believe. Yeah, turn that setting off as well, and then we hit done because done saves it. So now you have your brush. So you'll notice that there's a difference between the two brushes, the pixel brush I have labeled and then the other. What I did, I ended up changing the zoom settings, and I'll input an image somewhere to show because I wanted it to be a little bit larger. So I enjoyed my time lapse of my 2D drawing, I guess you could say. I did that with the Bobo Nova pencil. And then actually, in order to do the pixel one, because I didn't know how to do it, I've seen people do this before. They would copy and paste their image, and so that's just what I did. I just copied and pasted the image. I'm not professional. I don't know how to make tutorials, but yeah, so you can obviously like not spend the $9 trillion that it would take to buy this brush. Instead, you could just make the brush yourself. I find a lot of brushes in PROCREATE, if you're able to like take the time and play with the settings, you can actually make some pretty decent brushes. But obviously there are plenty of brush makers out there that already have these brushes made, and if you want to spend the money for it, it turns out pretty good. So there's my pixel art of my character. I know. Wonderful tutorial. Fabulous tutorial. Everybody should watch it. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.